All right, guys, so we just got back to the hotel from one of the most amazing experiences that we've ever done. Wouldn't you agree?
Yes.
And we're going to show it to you guys right now, but we had a great conversation with a couple that we met, an older couple, a retired couple, but they also own their own business. They're from Canada, and they were just asking what we do, and we were talking about Forex and explaining to them what day trading is and stuff like that. They really had no idea what it was, which I thought was kind of interesting considering that I know a lot of people in Canada do know about Forex. So we're gonna address that, but first, cue the B-roll. So that was the first part of our day. They started us off on 12 different zip lines. It was so much fun, and I'm so proud of Rye for getting it done. But before we show you the second half of our day, the Monkey Land adventure, I want to break down the conversation that we had with that Canadian couple. Now, Riley, I love you for so many reasons, you know that, but one of them, of course, is because she explains what Forex is to new people that have never even heard of it or don't actually know how to trade it. She explains it so much better than me, and I think you say it well, right? Sometimes I just get so caught up in the advanced details and I'm speaking this language of trading that a lot of you new people can't even follow me. So I have to backtrack, and you're good at reminding me about that, right? So the way she explained it to this older couple who, you know, they're technologically savvy. They were selling stuff on Amazon and things like that. So they were with the internet. So they kind of understand that you can do digital businesses, whether it's a product or a service. Once Riley kind of felt that out, she went at them by saying, what Forex really is, on a basic level, is an exchange rate between two currencies. So when we have, for example, when we come on vacation, they want us potentially to exchange our US dollars to Dominican pesos, right? That's a Forex transaction. So on a bigger picture, of course, there's not really a lot of money transacted when we come here, a couple $100 or something like that. But on a bigger picture, when you have big governments, big banks, big corporations that want to go and invest in another country, for example, if, just a random example, if Volkswagen, a German company, wants to build a car plant in Japan, they need yen, Japanese yen, currency from Japan, to pay those workers in Japan. So they would exchange euros from Germany to yen. That exchange rate, how many euros equal how many yen, is constantly changing. And it can be charted, like a technical chart, like you see for stocks, and we can trade on that. Up, down, you can buy it, you can sell it, it doesn't matter. And that's what Forex trading is. And now, just to take it a step deeper, maybe even to kind of lead us into tomorrow's video, a lot of people trade Forex by looking at news events, trying to predict what's going to happen, trying to forecast what's going to happen. And I think that's like the knife in the heart, the knife in the stomach. You know what I'm saying? Like, that just kills new traders before they even get to the point of half of an understanding of what the market actually is. So if you're new and you've never traded before and you just hear Forex, you hear stocks, you don't know what's going on, understand that Forex itself is very similar to stocks. A couple different nuances in the terms and the things like that and how the market moves, But overall, it is very, very similar. It can be technically charted with candlesticks, and you can use those technical patterns to find profitable potential trade setups. So again, these currencies from all over the world are constantly being exchanged against each other so governments, banks, corporations can do international commerce. That exchange rate is always changing, and you and I can put money with a broker like, I'm sure all of you have heard of E-Trade or what's TD Ameritrade, whatever theirs called, Thinkorswim. These brokers, like a bank account, you can put money there, and those brokers will allow you to participate in the exchange rate market, and that's how we can profit. So again, I hope that wasn't too technical. Was that okay, Ryan? Not too deep?
Yeah, I think it was good.
Good. So I hope that helps you guys, especially if you don't know what Forex is. It shouldn't be something that's daunting. You don't need an economics degree. You don't have to forecast. And like I said, we're going to talk about that in tomorrow's video. How it's so easy to just react to what the technical market is actually telling you, what the chart is telling you. So now we kind of covered what is Forex. Drop a comment down below if you have any more questions. I'm always happy to answer that. And now you guys get to see the rest of our day at Monkey Land. Hey, buddy.
Oh, I got pooped on.
Hey, you did.
I got pooped on.
You did.
Twice.
Oh, nice.
Oh no.
He's got napkins.
It's warm.
Oh, you're drooling on me, bro. Bro, you're drooling on me. You're drooling. Thank you. Yeah, I just ate the drool. Okay.
That was so cool.
Pretty cool. Experiences ever. You wanna come up here? Come on. Still cool either way. He's like, leave me alone, I'm trying to eat.